Configuring a WePay client ID is a straightforward process that enables you to integrate WePay payment services into your application. To begin, you need to create a WePay account and obtain a client ID. First, go to the WePay website and sign up for an account if you do not already have one. Once you have logged in, navigate to the WePay dashboard and click on the Account Settings option. In the Account Settings, you will find the API section where you can generate a client ID. To generate a client ID, click on the Generate Client ID button and follow the prompts. You will be required to provide some basic information about your application, such as the application name and redirect URL. The redirect URL is the URL that users will be redirected to after they have authorized your application. After you have provided the required information, WePay will generate a client ID and client secret for your application. The client ID is a unique identifier that is used to identify your application, while the client secret is used to authenticate your application. It is essential to keep your client secret secure, as it can be used to access your WePay account. You should never share your client secret with anyone or hard-code it into your application. To use your client ID, you will need to include it in the API requests that you make to WePay. The client ID is typically included in the authorization header of the API request. In addition to including your client ID in API requests, you will also need to handle errors and exceptions that may occur during the payment process. This includes handling errors such as invalid client ID or insufficient funds. Best practices for configuring a WePay client ID include using a secure connection to make API requests and validating user input to prevent errors. You should also ensure that you are complying with all relevant laws and regulations, such as PCI DSS. In conclusion, configuring a WePay client ID is a simple process that requires you to create a WePay account, generate a client ID, and include the client ID in API requests. By following best practices and handling errors and exceptions, you can ensure a seamless payment experience for your users.